Good morning, first page students. Yesterday, what did we complete? Exercise 6.1. Exercise 6.1. Some problems. The given inequality. Write down the solution. X is a real number. X is a integer, natural number. Okay. Write down the solution. So. First method are completed. Second method, solve the inequalities for real x. Solve the inequalities for real x. So inequalities are given. Solve that given inequalities where for real x. So all x values are real numbers only. For real x means x values only real values, not integers, natural numbers. Okay, not for real x. Solve the inequalities. Inequality solve madri. X values are real numbers. Real numbers means must be used in open or closed intervals. Real numbers means that natural numbers, positive integers means only set of numbers 1 2 3 4. So real numbers means must be used in set of open interval, closed intervals. Okay. So first one, fifth problem, 4x plus 3 less than 5x plus 7. 4x plus 3 less than 5x plus 7. First this is less than means equal. For example, 4x plus 3 is equal to 5x plus 7. For example, less than badalu equal to ide anuko. Okay, assumption is less than instead of equal to instead of less than. How to come? This is 7. Okay, 3 goes to right side. 4x, this is minus 5x is equal to 7 minus 3. 4x minus 5x is equal to minus x. Is equal to 7 minus 3 is equal to 4. So x is equal to minus 4. E type. Okay. E less than badalu equal ide anuko. For example, first x's are one side, constants are another side. Any side, left or right, your own interest. Okay. So 4x minus 5x less than 7 minus 3. Less than 7 minus 3. 4x minus 6 is equal to minus x less than 4. So x greater than minus 4. Why x greater than minus 4? Multiply or divide any negative integer or any negative number, any negative value. So the relation reversed. Okay. So negative minus 1 multiply minus 1 both sides. X greater than less than, reverse means less than reverse greater than, x greater than minus 4. X greater than a. X greater than a means what? A to infinity. Greater than means greater than a means a to infinity. Less than a means minus infinity to a. This is the difference. X greater than minus a. So x belongs to minus 4 to infinity. Infinity is always open interval. So greater than less than means open interval. Okay. ORR, another method. ORR. So 4x plus 3 4x plus 3. 4x plus 3 less than 5x plus 7. So this is the 5x, 4x. So కంపేర్ టు ఈ 4x goes to right side. So 3 e plus 7 this side, right side, left side, less than 5x minus 4x. నెగిటివ్ బరబారదు అనుకుందరా. నెగిటివ్ ఈజ్ షుడ్ నాట్ కమ్. నెగిటివ్ షుడ్ నాట్ కమ్ మీన్స్ నెగిటివ్ అనేది బరబారదు అనుకుందరా. ఈ టైప్ నెగిటివ్ ಮತ್ತು మల్టిప్లై ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಸೈನ್ ರಿವರ್ಸ್ಡ್ ಇದು ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಅನ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ ನೀವು ಈ 5x 4x which one is small number 4x is small so small number goes to right side the left side to go to right side ಕಲಿಸ್ರಿ okay the number it numbers one side and excess another side so 3 minus 7 minus 4 minus 4 less than 5x minus 4 x so x greater than minus 4 same again x greater than minus 4 so x belongs to minus 4 to infinity okay this excess one side constants another side ಅದು right side or left side your own interest any side okay so the x value is negative means compulsory multiply negative and negative minus 1 multiply minus 1 both sides and sign will be reverse sign ಕೂಡ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಇದು ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ minus x less than 4 x less than minus 4 ಅಂದರೆ wrong ಅದಕ್ಕೆ negative will come it comes negative is very careful to calculate okay negative it comes you have to careful next one 8th question 3 into 2 minus x solve all questions asking solve 3 into 2 minus x greater than or equal to 2 into 1 minus x 3 into 2 minus x greater than or equal to 2 into 1 minus x first multiply 3 into 2 6 minus 3x is greater than or equal to 2 into 1 2 minus 2x so e minus 2x right side goes to right side e plus 2 goes to left side so 6 e minus 2 is greater than or equal to minus 2x e minus 3x goes to right side means the sign will be changed minus 3x 6 minus 2 4 is greater than or equal to minus 2x plus 3x x so that implies x less than or equal to 4 x less than or equal to 4 means minus infinity to 4 minus infinity plus infinity always over interval less than or equal to means closed interval 4 okay 3x minus 7 greater than 5x minus 1 7th problem 3 into x minus 1 less than or equal to 2 into x minus 3 these two are same type of homework you do homework next 9th problem x plus x by 2 x plus x by 2 plus x by 3 is less than 11 x plus x by 2 plus x less than so first we have to take LCM 1 2 3 LCM 6 so 6x plus 2 into 3 6 1 into 6 2 into 3, 3x plus 3 into 2, 2x is less than. So that implies 6x plus 3x, 9x, 9x plus 2x, 11x. 11x by 6 less than 11. 11, 11 cancel. X by 6 less than 1. X less than 6. Okay, x less than 6 means minus infinity to 6. Minus infinity plus infinity always open interval. Less than means 6 also open interval. So eighth problem, x by 3 greater than x by 2 plus 1. Homework. You can try. Next one. Eleventh problem. 3 into x minus 2 by 5 less than or equal to 5 into 2 minus x by 3. 3 into x minus 2 by 5 less than or equal to 5 into 2x minus 1 by 3. First multiply 3 into x, 3x minus 6 by 5 less than or equal to 5 into 2, 10 minus 5 into x, 5x by 3. Cross multiplication. Cross multiplication means cross multiplication. Next 3 into 3x minus 6 less than or equal to 5 into 10 minus 5x. So 3 into 3x 9x minus 6 into 3 18 less than or equal to 5 into 10 50 minus 5 into 5x 25x. So e minus 25x right side minus 25x goes to left side, minus 25 changes into plus 25 less than or equal to 50 minus 18 plus 18. So 9x plus 25 is equal to 34x. 34x less than 68. X less than 68 by 34. X less than or equal to 2. 34 1 so 34 2 so. X less than or equal to 2. X less than or equal to means minus infinity to 2. Minus infinity plus infinity always open interval. So less than or equal to means closed interval. 2 has closed interval. Okay. This is the one method. Next, 12th problem. 1 by 2 into 3x by 5 plus 4 is greater than or equal to 1 by 3 into x minus 6. 1 by 2 into 3x by 5 plus 4 greater than or equal to 1 by 3 into x minus 6. First multiply. 1 by 2 into 3x by 5 is equal to 3x by 10 plus 4 by 2 is greater than or equal to 1 by 3 into x is equal to x by 3 minus 6 by 3. 3x by 10 minus plus 4 by 2 is greater than or equal to x by 3 minus 2. Okay. Next So e minus 2x right side 2 plus 2 is greater than or equal to x by 3 minus 3x by 10. The right side 3x by 10 goes to right side and minus, e minus goes plus. 4 greater than or equal to 3 10 LCM 30. 3 10 LCM 30. So 10 into x 10x minus 9x 3 into 3 cross multiplication. So 4 greater than or equal to 10 minus 9x 10x minus x x by 30. So x by 30 is less than or equal to 4. Reverse, x by 30 is less than or equal to 4. So x less than or equal to 120. 44 into 30 120. X less than or equal to 120 means x belongs to less than or equal to minus infinity to 120. Less than or equal to 120 means closed. Less than or equal to 120 means closed. This one. Okay, next. Next, 14th problem. 37 minus 3x plus 5. 37 minus 3x plus 5 is greater than or equal to 9x minus 8 into x minus 3. 9x minus 8 into x minus 3. First, 37 minus into plus 3x minus 3x minus into plus minus 5 is greater than or equal to 9x minus 8 into x 8x minus into minus plus 8 into 3 24. So minus 3x 37 minus 5 plus 32 plus 5 37 is greater than or equal to 9x minus 8x x plus 24. This is negative x. Negative x means this change will be changed. So 32 plus 24 goes to left side minus 24 greater than or equal to x. E minus that 3x goes to right side plus 3x. So 32 minus 24 is equal to 8. 8 greater than or equal to 4x. 4x is less than or equal to 8. 8 greater than or equal to 4x means 4x less than or equal to 8. So x less than or equal to 8 by 4. X less than or equal to 2. X less than or equal to means minus infinity to closed interval 2. So 13th problem. 2 into 2x plus 3 minus 10 less than 6 into x minus 2. Homework. 13th problem, homework. Next, 15th one. Next, 15th one. X by 4 less than 5x minus 2 by 3 minus x by 4 less than 5x minus 2 by 3 minus 7x minus 3 7x minus 3 by 5 7x minus 3 by 5. So first x by 4 is less than first LCM 3 5 LCM 15 LCM of 3 comma 5 3 into 5 into 5 into 3 5 15 3 5s 15. So multiply 5 into 5x minus 2 minus 3 into 7x minus 3. So x by 4 less than 5 into 5x 25x minus 10 minus 3 into 7x 21x minus into minus plus 9. So x by 4 less than by 15 25x minus 21x 4x 25 minus 21 4 minus 10 plus 9 minus 1 minus 10 plus 9 plus 1. So cross multiplication 15 into x less than 4 into 4x minus 1 15 into x less than 4 into 4x minus 1. So 15x less than 4 into 4 16x minus 4. So if 15x goes to right side minus 4 goes to left side. So minus 4 goes to 4 less than 16x minus 15x 4 less than minus 4 go to changes minus 4 changes to plus 4 changes to minus 4. Okay. So 4 less than 16x minus 5x x. So x greater than 4 x greater than 4 x greater than 4 means x belongs to 4 to infinity greater than 4 above 4 greater than means open interval infinity last number is infinity. Okay. Sixteenth problem 2x minus 1 by 3 is greater than or equal to 3x minus 2 by 4 minus 2 minus x by 3. 2x minus 1 by 3 greater than or equal to 3x minus 2 by 4 minus 2 minus x by 3. The homework same model 15th model. Next next one next model solve the inequalities exercise page number 122. See, solve the inequalities in exercise 1720. Show that the graph of the solution in each case on number line. This up to 16 problems only find the x value. Solve means find the x values for real. So the next method is find x values shown on the graphical method. For example, graphical method. 17th question. What is that? Solve the inequalities. Show the graph of the solution in each case on number line. So first one, 3x minus 2. 3x minus 2 less than 2x plus 1. No. 3x minus 2 less than 2x plus 1. No. So the 2x, 3x, e 2x goes to left side, minus 2x less than 1, e minus 2 goes to right side, plus 2. 3x minus 2x, x less than 3. Okay, 3x minus 2x minus 2 plus 3x less than 3. X less than 3 means x belongs to, less than means minus infinity to open interval. Minus infinity plus infinity, always open interval. Always open interval. So number line. What is number line? This is the number line. This is 0, minus 1. What is no? Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, and so on. 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. The number line. Minus infinity. This is minus up to minus infinity. This is minus infinity. This is plus infinity. So minus infinity to 3. This is one circle, 2 circle, 3 circle, 4 circle. This is 0 circle. This is minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. So minus infinity to 3, up to 3. Okay. Open interval 3 means not 3, below 3, up to below 3, not 3. Okay. So this one. This one. Okay. Up to this 3. Less than 3 means not 3. Below 3. This is only 3. This circle is only 3. This is below 3. This one. Next one. 5x minus 3 greater than or equal to 18th one. 5x minus 3 is greater than or equal to 3x minus 5. Okay. First 5x e plus 3x goes to left side, minus 3x greater than or equal to minus 5 e minus 3 goes to right side, plus 3. Okay. 5x minus 3x is equal to 2x is less than, greater than or equal to minus 5 plus 3 minus 2. So x greater than or equal to minus 2 by 2. So x greater than or equal to minus 1. X greater than or equal to minus 1. Okay. Real line. So x belongs to greater than or equal to means closed interval minus 1 to infinity. Greater than or equal to. So real line, this is line. This is 0, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, 1, 2, 3. So x greater than or equal to minus 1 means already discussed. Greater than means what? Greater than means left to right, goes to left to right. Less than or equal to means right to left. So greater than or equal to minus 1 means this is minus 1 circle. Greater than or equal minus 1 kinta hechchu. 0 is the above minus 1. 1 is above minus 1. 2 is also above minus 1. So greater than or equal to minus 1 means minus 1 circle up to this one. So bubbling the circle also. What is the difference between 17th and 18th problem? 17th problem, 18th problem, what is the difference? This is less than means without circle, without 3. R equal to means with minus 1. Greater than or equal, less than or equal means the circle also bubbled. This less than greater than means without circle. This is the difference. Okay. ಒಂದು ಹೋಮ್ವರ್ಕ್ 19th ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ 3 into 1 minus x less than 2 into x plus 4. This is the homework. Tomorrow some more problems are there and continue the tomorrow.